Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today another pair of Skechers Classic Fit with air-cooled memory foam. Let's look at what we have this time. This time we have the Delson-CAMBEN in the color black gray, men's US size 10, European 43. Black and gray, I'm very curious to see that. Let's open it up. The classic foil to put aside. Let's take out one shoe, first glance, and let's take out the other shoe as well. Away with the box, and then let's put the shoes down. Oh wow, I like the aesthetics of this one. We have this almost black, like space gray or black kind of fabric, and then the gray on the side with again the stretching thing. There are no shoelaces to tie, but you can just slip in those shoes basically. Then we have here a brown lace on top to go in and go out, same in the back to get into the shoe. Alright, let's look at it from this side. Well, very dark, and then kind of a gray, the rubber wristband, and then there's also, the quality is very good on this one. I'm a bit scared for these stitches down here. They usually don't last very long, and they fall apart very easily. From the bottom it looks like this. Doesn't have too much of a, it feels slippery. I'm curious to feel how they are to walk on like asphalt or concrete. I'm very curious to see, but the quality pretty good. As said, I'm kind of scared for these stitches here. I'm not entirely sure how good that is. Let's look at it from the other side. The same exact thing on the other side too. And then from the front, I'm very curious to test those out. Alright, that was it for this video. Those were the Skechers Delson-CAMBEN in black gray. Yeah, classic fit with stretchy things on the side. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and leaving this video a like. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and bye bye.